leaders and distinguished guests of this great congregation, PLP, Unite Liberate. Hi cousins. Hi cousins. Cousins, hi.
Hi.
Shemeji, hi.
Hi.
Hi bros.
Hi.
Hi sis.
Hi.
Asanteni sana. Thank you very much. Let me take this opportunity on behalf of DCP and our supporters across the country, congratulate the Honorable Mother Karua for having been given the green light by her party to be a presidential candidate in the forthcoming general election. Pongezi, my sister. And let me say we are very happy because we now know a good leader is available to lead the country. The Honorable Mother Karua has incredible credentials in matters governance, democracy, justice, and studying family for the people of Kenya. Her stand cannot be compromised by anybody. If there is one leader I believe in this journey, because this journey is difficult. Many will fall by the wayside. Many will be bought. Many will be compromised. Many will waver. But I have no doubt in my mind, like every other Kenyan, Mother Karua will go to the end to liberate this country. We are therefore very happy that her party has endorsed her as a presidential candidate. And as she has said, she has already started convincing us to think whether she can fly the flag. And we are saying women are great leaders in this country. And not just in politics, in every sector. In business, in agriculture, in church, in all spheres of influence. Our women have proven that they can be trusted with leadership. They are passionate and they mean well for the people of Kenya. I'm sure everybody knows Mother Wangari Karua, if elected president of Kenya, she cannot steal from the people of Kenya. I don't think Mother would ever order for people to be shot in the leg. I don't think Mother Wangari Karua, as a mother, grandmother, can order for the killing of Gen Zs. So we have a great leader, and the people of Kenya have a choice to make. Let me say, let nobody worry that Mother here is a presidential candidate, Kalonzo Musyoka is presidential candidate, Rigiji is presidential candidate, Eugene Wamalwa is presidential candidate. As the Honorable Mother has put it, let everybody go and mobilize for votes. Go and sell your candidature, sell your vision, and convince Kenyans that you can be president. And then when we sit, as it has been very well explained, we want to assure the people of Kenya that we shall sacrifice. We shall make whatever sacrifices necessary for this country to make sure, under whatever circumstances, we have one presidential candidate to face William Ruto. My sister, I want to assure you, if you convince us, I'm sure you can, that you are the right person. I'll campaign for you the way I campaigned for William Ruto. Yeah? I and my supporters will rally behind you. And we will do it the way it has never been done before. And I and my supporters are ready to support anybody whom we agree is the one to face William Ruto. And I would do it very happily. I only have one disappointment in case I'm not chosen. Just one. Just one disappointment. I'll miss the opportunity to face William Ruto